Reminder or call to action. So this is a reminder to blank. This encourages viewers to take action, and it can be effective, especially if it leads to the benefit. This is a reminder to review and adjust your financial budget this month to ensure smart spending and savings. And then you can go into some value. Don't scroll, okay? A more direct and aggressive approach, creating a sense of urgency and curiosity. So this is the direct appeal. Don't scroll any further. You're going to learn the secret investment strategy that millionaires don't want you to know about. Number one, okay? That's how you do it. Sharing personal success or tips. So I've had successes, and here's how I would blank. So this is leveraging personal achievements or experiences to offer advice or insights, which can be impactful. I have had significant financial success in the stock market, and here's how I would strategically invest and manage funds to build sustainable wealth. Number one, or let's look at this first one, or whatever. That you need to have that little exchange in there and then go into the value. And then at the end, you're presenting a call to action to get your free thing. Comment below, follow, buy your thing, any of the above or all. Okay. And then finally here, problem identification and solution. Your, in parentheses, problem isn't working, and I can almost guarantee this is why. Okay, this is a great one. So you're identifying a common problem and offering a solution as a strong hook here. So your investment strategy isn't working, and I can almost guarantee this is why. Because, you go right into it.